The two boys are sitting on a wooden swing. The two boys are sitting on a wooden swing. They are holding the ropes with both hands. They are holding the ropes with both hands. The swing hangs from a tall tree. The swing hangs from a tall tree. The boys look happy and relaxed. The boys look happy and relaxed. The field around them is wide and open. The field around them is wide and open. The grass is green and fresh. The grass is green and fresh. The weather looks warm and sunny. The weather looks warm and sunny. One boy is sitting slightly in front of the other. One boy is sitting slightly in front of the other. Their legs are hanging freely in the air. Their legs are hanging freely in the air. The tree behind them has strong, thick branches. The tree behind them has strong, thick branches. The sunlight shines softly on the scene. The sunlight shines softly on the scene. The boys are looking out toward the field. The boys are looking out toward the field. The swing moves gently back and forth. The swing moves gently back and forth. The background shows trees and open land. The background shows trees and open land. The boys are wearing light, comfortable clothes. The boys are wearing light, comfortable clothes. Their hair is moving slightly in the breeze. Their hair is moving slightly in the breeze. The swing seat looks simple but strong. The swing seat looks simple but strong. The boys seem to enjoy the quiet moment outdoors. The boys seem to enjoy the quiet moment outdoors. The open space gives a feeling of freedom. The open space gives a feeling of freedom. The whole scene looks peaceful and natural. The whole scene looks peaceful and natural.